Guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic, beautiful day today. Now in today's video, we're going to be looking at what I wish I would have known before I started trading stocks, before I started investing. If I had a time machine and could go back and tell my 18-year-old self, what would I tell them? So we're going to be talking about this. So I hope you guys all enjoy this. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe. But if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's fantastic. We got private live streams, quizzes, lectures, or group chat, all things to elevate your trading game. So check it out. I'll see you guys in there. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask down below. And let's have a quick word from our sponsor of today's video, which is the best broker that I've been trading with for over 6 or 7 years. So make sure you guys check them out. I know a lot of you are just getting started with investing, and one app that I've been using is called Moomoo. It's super beginner friendly, but still gives you pro level tools like live market data, easy to read charts, and news all in one place. And the best part, new users can get up to 60 free stocks when you open up an account with qualifying deposit. And honestly, that's actually why I tried it. And I've been using it ever since. Check out the link down below if you guys are curious. Yeah, so the broker is Moomoo. So if you guys want to sign up, click that link. You guys can get up to 60 free stocks just by signing up. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this, and let's dive into this. So if I had that time machine and could go back and tell my 18-year-old self, what would I tell him? The first thing is trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. When I first started trading, obviously, I jumped in. I opened up that Robinhood account with $2,500, expecting to make $100 a day. And hey, trading is not. It's like any other job, career, a doctor, a lawyer, an engineer. It takes years of practice, of hard work and education before you can even start seeing results. So, understanding that trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, honestly, can just kind of put your mind at ease. When a beginner's not profitable in the first year, you can go, hey, I'm actually following the right path. I'm still doing everything right. I'm just not there yet, which is completely normal. All right. The second thing here is emotions will destroy your account if you let them. So obviously, when I first started trading, I would commonly see YouTubers and TikTokers talk about, okay, they're buying this stock, and then I would buy it because I had no idea what I was doing. I had high emotions, and obviously, when you have high emotions, you're not going to be trading right. You're going to be you're going to either have fear, greed, or some sort of emotion that's playing a factor in if you should buy these. So one of the things that I did to help get rid of that is develop a checklist. And so I'm always choosing quality over quantity. All right. The third thing is that you're not going to win every trade, and that's completely normal. I love the statistic of traders of, if you make 3% per month, you're in the top 5% of all traders in the entire world. So, when I first started trading, I would be up on my money. I'd be up 1, 2, 3%. I want to, sell obviously, and I would lose money. But once I started to realize, one, I'm not going to lose. I'm not going to win every trade. I'm going to understand my risk management. I'm going to focus on, not trying to be perfect, but actually just trying to learn. Is very important. All right, the last thing here, or not the last thing, but one of the things here that I would recommend doing is you need a trading plan, right? You can't do random trades. You're going to have random results. So you got to have that trading plan, which will define your entries, your exits, your position size, your risk management, your stop loss. You do this all before entering trades. So that's very important. All right, the next thing here is chasing alerts. Alerts and hypes equals fast losses. So obviously, setting alert on your broker's account for a stock with opportunity is a little different than getting alerts from other traders and YouTubers and TikTokers. So with our school, we never do alerts. I think alerts are the biggest scam in the trading world because honestly, a lot of it's a pump and dump, and you got to learn to trade for yourself. So obviously, don't do that. All right, the next thing here is to keep a trading journal. Keeping a trading journal, I'll put mine down below if you guys want to get it. But keeping a trading journal, honestly, is important to figure out what's working, what's not working, tracks your wins, your losses, it builds improvement, and more importantly, awareness on your strategy. So, guys, hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. Short, sweet, brief, but more importantly, educational. So, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, follow, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.